Alright, we got a 2024 Jeep Wrangler 4xe, and we're going to pull up the cabin filter to check it. It's going to be behind your glove box. Alright, so we're going to open up the glove box. There's a stopper right here. You can just push up, get the glove box around that. Now what we're going to do is disconnect this damper that we have here. And to do that, you're going to pull back on it like that, and then just pull it off. Okay? Then it will lower down, and this is the cabin filter door, and you can notice that this piece is kind of in your way, so it makes it a little difficult. We're going to squeeze these clips and pull the door off like that. Okay, so this piece here needs to slide in to that hook right there. I'm going to put it back, and let's see how dirty our filter is here. You're going to need to crush it a little bit to get it out. And this one's still got some life. Sometimes these things are super gross. This one's not too bad. Okay, but you just pull it all the way out. If you want to change it, we're not gonna change that one today. I don't think. I think I'll order it and have it ready for the next oil change. But we just slide the new one in. Okay. Lock that in first over there. You gotta make sure it's locked in good. This thing is gonna fight us like that. Oh. This door is the hardest part of it, is putting it back. I swear to God. Alright, you're gonna hear it kind of go click click, and you can put it right back. Get your glove box and just take it, just push it, and then it'll go back like that. Get this guy here.